He saw me die. Say they don't arrest Jesus several other times before they kill him. Because now carpenter, you don't delay person work. Now Papa Joseph go call someone and leave and he just say they preach, they work. No time.
Hello people, it's your boy M.O.P, Mouth of the People Comedian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What I'm bringing to you is what you usually go to your doctor for consultation. Yes, and one more thing, remember to watch the video to the end. It will benefit you.
Wait, hold on. So FMV, now see finish now. Golden boy stand here, you press for who did it? Oh, they don't come any. I don't make an out they come in for they know. So me, I don't make an adjust the money remain now. Oh, this Nigeria. You mad? Yeah, who? Now so this buju, you know say na God help him. You know say the idiots go grant one interview say you know go release any song again until May. Now somebody tell and they may forget you. Nigerians know they take forget artists so. You wait till they sing. You sing past one they go. One they go we sing blow. Nigerians forget them. You don't know when he begin reintroduce himself. I'm new in town. I said when I sing bumper to bumper, we follow you. See the bunch now. When the bunch they rain, he too proud. Not I'm the band. Skip. He don't answer any name. You know okay because you know so we go still one. I'm the band. Skip band. Mesa. Acapella. Yeah. When Nigerians forget that, and they beg us, everybody go the banjo. It's not. My job tonight is very simple. I'm not here to take your time. I see some things for news for Nigeria, they shock me. They'll say a Nigerian man commits suicide. Why you dey worry? Nigeria for still kill you. So you just say, after I say Nigeria know the work. Work when Nigeria won't do now, they help and do it. Nigeria will kill you. This Nigeria, wait till they walk the way they walk. Don't be this Nigeria. Do you know that in this country, if government see crude oil for your backyard, you know say na government get them. My brother, I need the government see you go, now your own. You tell government how you go take your backyard. Why they not ask you where crude oil pass come? That's why in only Nigeria, you go see Nigerian get ask her, do you smoke? He go say no, only shisha. Shisha and alcohol. They know they smoke them. You know, so the average every Nigerian does a para. It is an clear eye, Ojuku wife. This slap governor wife. Mama don't give up. The country don't tire everybody. But he said they say Ojuku na hero. Ojuku no try. I go die, leave that kind of woman. FMV, if I marry that kind of wife, if I die, leave her mad die. Are they mad? You all look things for Nigeria, everybody just this strand, everybody's confused. Buhari, you know see Buhari. You know say now during COVID-19, Buhari put curfew. You know say today Buhari no come out and only us just come out. We wait. Buhari no dey turn Nigeria so boy. Because nobody say Buhari for never come out. He no even remember saying put up. So now police come they use the curfew now they hustle. And they come from show. Now me and the M.O.P self, 11:45, war officer, he stop us for that 2 gates. You never ask me anything, you just say you're under arrest. I say, wait up, he say curfew. I say it's 11:45, 15 minutes. He say good, where are we now? I say we did 2 gates. Where you they go? I said they go Chevron. He say, before you reach there, 12 go now. I said, no, oh, first of all, my pastor is here. Oh God. Now this is the way my pastor said I don't backslide because normally I suppose first, when incidents I suppose first recognize them. No, PK, I will not stress you, trust me. And then my mama is here. Mama, you know say, nothing they never talk for this industry about me and about. You don't pass. At least I don't know so we know the quarrel. They say if they know the quarrel, why know they do comedy goes to church again? You, why you not do one? Why you not do one? You know, you don't ever hold your phone. You got to see different things. Update Instagram. Update Facebook. You know, so I hold my phone one day now see update Bible. I say, wait till Solomon don't do again. Wait till happen afresh, where would the update for? Wait till Solomon do new. Because to be honest, that Solomon, unless the story no clear, that person will get 1,000 women, only 3 children. How? No baby planning, no, it's only one. No, that that story, I see the look up. In fact, there are many things in the Bible where I dey look say they don't really document. Like that arrest where they arrest Jesus, star. He show me die. Say they don't arrest Jesus several other times before they kill him. Because now carpenter, you don't delay person work. Now Papa Joseph go call someone and leave and he just say they preach, they work. No time, no time. Okay, so I say I don't get too much work this night. I did very fulfilled tonight. Everybody will know the story knows I did very fulfilled tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, comedy's next big thing. One of the finest stand-up comedians to ever emerge from Africa. This guy is extremely hilarious. It's the reason why we're all gathered here. I'm going to pray for indulgence. This is his first show ever. I don't even know if the Lagos reached 5 years, after he graduates. And here he is today, feeling terror culture. Yes, my first show. So we're all out here to support him. I can assure you, if this guy come out, he no thrill you. But you're stranded, not a video. Just because I don't hear and say I will give your money back, how much you pay? Poor people they can say, may not just funny first. I know the ones you just say, thrill you, everybody go perform tire and people go to say, enter. Our money. Poor people can argue. You know, so comment they argue more argument. Especially how much Ronaldo and Messi they collect. I know they know how comment they take comfortable discuss. Just say, boy, don't hear how much I pay Ronaldo last week. There go come finish. Go and see, Baba, you go pass Chevron. They don't drop me for you. Will buy Ronaldo last week. Now me go drop you. Like no get sense. Just one. Now, the most popular days are celebrated in the world. I think after Christmas, the New Year, the next one is Mother's Day. Then after that one, it's Mother's Day again. After that, it's another Mother's Day. Fathers don't really get day. Because as a man, even on your day, now your wife the controller. Because on the other side, as you drink, I'm going to tell you are misbehaving. It's just one day. It's just one day. Embarrassment is a lifetime, Women own it. Now they own everything. Now that's why it makes me laugh when they say it's a man's world. The reason why women allow that thing they fly, now because they favor them. Now, but women get the word though. Like normally, check the scenario as a man. FMV is a married man. He's my friend. If you just wake up out of boredom, nothing happened, don't go ask your wife, are you cheating on me? From where? She don't start crying. Now you go begin apologize. Your wife is just day bored. Nothing they go on. No. You just say, babe, my instinct does not lie. Once women don't bring instinct, but I don't lose the case. The instinct now from above. My instinct does not lie. Are you cheating on me? Baba, you try to explain yourself. You favor them. Do you know that if you try to touch, if your wife try to touch you, you no agree? Sorry. If you try to touch your wife, she no agree. That means she's not in the mood. If your wife try to touch you, you no agree. That means say they sleep with another one. And a man's water, they deceive you. Now then get everything. You favor them. Check everywhere now. Your mother could say, this breast I fed you 9 months. Your father don't talk that kind of thing before. You now you call them emotionally blackmailed. You call the Sam. Sorry. No, women are crazy. Sorry. Happy Mother's Day. I wanted to say happy Mother's Day.
I told you. I've been no one proud. But now you see that you enjoyed the video. So to make other people enjoy what you just did, remember, I take God in the beg you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.